Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma mynta sngi ula ong bagi surok kyndong jaka bynta ban wanrah jaka jingkylla kaba plie jaka jingkiew shakhmat jong district basha jaka kyndong haba yo mawnongrim ban shna pynheh jaka surok Weiloi-Mawkyrwat-Rangthong ha South West Khasi Hills. Ke project ba shispa sap klur tingka bala pura na kapisa pla ka Jylla kade umaumer jong ka jingpushang ka sarkar ban pinyar yakilat pinyaso bat pintikna ba karoi kapar ka poi shabar ka shillong shaki jaka ba kyndong jong ka Jylla. Usimbut Myntri Rangbah ba President Tinsong Myntri kam jungokai Timothy D Shira MLA ba Renington Lindo Piyus Marwen Olan Sing Sun ba Dr Celestine Lingdo Klaidan lang hakani ga jingalang haba ai jingkran ha ga jingalang ka bahe abha Myntri Rangbah ula banjor ya ki jingkin show pisa ha ki jingtei haba kut kidi ki jingkin show ha ki briu man ka tingka bangit he ha ki lat pinyaso kamdei ka bapelut tang ha karong barumau kare ka jingkin show ha ki briu bakatnu ka jingsuk iki kimi bakin poi sha ki hospital hadu katnu ukhna ula ban poi sha school tikna bat katnu ka jingsuk scam unong rep ban pin poi mar sha ki yo haba kren halor ka jingphai khmat jang ka sarkar ban pin biang tarajur ya karoi kapar haman ki than ula ban biang baka khana jang karoi kapar ka Meghalaya kare ban kinthup ya baro ki district ki badan shechingai ka thong jongi ka long ka bashai omdan ki than omdan ki district ki ban sha shadien karoi kapar ka dei ban stang na ki jaka ba kyndong bat poi sha man kishnong ki thau Myntri Rangbah ula penpa ba ki district ki balasha ben bha baro shikata kum ka South West Khasi Hills South Garo Hills but East Janta Hills kladon menta hapadeng jongki mat penroi ka sarkar.
I'm so thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister who has ultimately consented to be here the whole day today for laying the foundation stone of this important project, 140 crores, starting from Weiloi up to Rangthong village, covering of the distance of not less than 40 kilometers. Sir, under your leadership, we are as we are today. We are as we are today, and we have seen too that Meghalaya is already in the right direction. Other states in different parts of India are looking to Meghalaya. And friends, you are all aware that we are of today the third state performing third fastest growing state in India. I think it's a blessing from the above that Meghalaya, such a small state, people like us, we are now competing with the big states in India, and we are number 3 in front of the government of India. We have seen the quality that you have, and we have also seen the commitment you made to serve the state of Meghalaya.